you tore my soul apart. If you're searching for someone new, maybe I should stop chasing you. No more lies and no disguise. Just say the truth into my eyes. It hurts holding on this long, when I know your love is gone. I still remember your eyes tonight. Used to hold me warm so tight. Now the feeling fades away, and our love can't find its way. I keep trying to let you go, but your memory won't let go. Every shadow, every dream still pulls me back to what we've been. This lonely night feels cold and slow, with nobody left to hold. I'm drowning